So we've got the roof trucked out. Shingles are being loaded out. This is what it's supposed to look like under the shingles. Don't skip these steps. All of this costs so very little and sure makes for a better product for your customer. This particular roof had skip sheathing on the front, ran vertically. A little trick we figured out, got a triangle notch. You can vent your ridge, not have to change out all your decking. If you're not venting your shingles, you're wasting your money. Guys are getting the control lines popped. We use CertainTeed's ply base in our valleys. It's a commercial product. It's a lot thicker than your normal ice and water paper-faced stuff. So just take these little steps and you get repeat business. Cut a 2x2 square of leak barrier, put around the pipes. It's very easy. Lay it on top of the pipe, hit it with your hammer gently. Just a little bit of insurance for your customers. All new drip edge all the way around the roof. It's a good time to paint your VAC pipes. You don't have to worry about masking the shingles off. This is how you want to treat vulnerable chimney areas on low slope roofs. Full width ice and water on either side. Cover the chimney, crick it completely up underneath the flashing. We'll get steps underneath that. No more leaks. So give us a call. We can put a roof on just like this for you.
Saludos a los amigos del YouTube.
And you won't have to do it 3 or 4 times in your life. Just do these things one time. There's no point in putting 4 or 5 roofs on the same house. Call us and we'll make it easy. Thanks for watching.